I know you've watched a ton of videos about free and unlimited AI video tools, especially from that one channel that keeps dropping these videos every week. And honestly, almost all of them are just garbage. Sure, you'll get free AI videos, but with the lowest possible quality, running on the cheapest models available. And half these tools, they make you create a brand new account after every single generation just to get more credits. They're literally just wasting your time. So let me be straight with you right now. If you've been burned by those videos before, this one is different, because I'm not here to show you 10 mediocre tools. I'm showing you one, and it's running one of the most powerful video models available right now. But before I tell you what it is, let me show you the output first. I took the same prompts, ran them through the tools everyone recommends, and then through this one. Watch the difference.
Science explains everything. There is nothing beyond logic.
Then explain why the mind still suffers after knowing so much.
Alright, now you've seen it. The tool is BytePlus, and it gives you access to Seedance 1.5 Pro, the same model that's been blowing up on X and Reddit for its cinematic quality. And every new sign-up gets you free tokens. Now, some of you already know about this, but here's what you probably also know. The moment you try signing up with a temporary or throwaway email, you hit this error, and nobody has shown a fix for this, which is exactly why no one's been able to use it for free, unlimited times, until now. So let's get straight into it, jumping into BytePlus AI. I'll drop the link in the description. Once you're on BytePlus.com, click on Try AI Solutions. This is where you'll find all their AI models and their details. Now let's head over to the Dreamina Seedance 2.0 video generator. This is where you can add your prompts and images. But first, let's sign in. Now here's where most YouTubers just say, use a temp mail and call it a day. But if you actually try signing up with a random temp mail, you'll hit this error right at the verification step. Nobody talks about what to do next. Now sure, you could sign in with a Google account. That works fine. But that's not a real solution, because most of us don't have unlimited Google accounts. And that's exactly the problem nobody's solved publicly until this video, but we'll get to that in a second. First, let me show you what this tool actually does. And once you're in, check the model section. You get 2 million tokens for Seedance 1.5 Pro, completely free. Now, how many videos you can generate from one account depends on your settings. You've got options for ratio, resolution, and duration. The higher the quality, the more tokens it burns through. My recommendation, go with 720p, 8 to 10 seconds per video. At that setting, you can generate around 10 videos per account for free. I already showed you the quality at the start of this video, but let me generate a few live right now so you can see it work in real time. I'm using some complex images to really stress test it. Let's add a prompt and hit generate. Here's something most tools can't do. You don't have to wait for one video to finish before starting the next. Queue them up simultaneously. Let me add the next image while the first one's processing. Now, one of the hardest things for any AI model is 360-degree rotation. So I'm going to grab a 360 rotation prompt from ChatGPT and run it directly on BytePlus. As you can see, that one's processing too. There's also another feature worth knowing. You can add a last frame image. This lets you control exactly how your video ends, which is huge for long-form content. Let me add 2 images here with a simple zoom out prompt and bump up the duration since we're working with 2 frames. Alright, first video's done. Didn't have to pause anything. Let's check all 3 results now.
The President has signed Executive Order 734. All dissents will be quashed.
正在连接外部数据节点，进行城市状态扫描。
Every single one came out clean. The 360 rotation. Perfect. The zoom out transition between 2 frames.
正在连接外部数据。
Exactly what I asked for. No artifacts, no weird motion. And just so you know, this is actually a paid model, but I'm about to make it completely free and unlimited for you. Now, here's how you use it unlimited times. First, sign out of your current account. So as I mentioned, temp mails throw an error, and Google accounts work but aren't infinite. That's the wall everyone hits. But after a lot of searching, I found something crazy, and I'm 100% sure you're going to subscribe after this, because this is honestly the easiest and most risk-free method out there. We're going to use your real Gmail with one small twist. This is my actual Gmail, the one I'm already logged into on Google. You can see I'm actively using it right now. Now you'd think we can only use this Gmail once on BytePlus, right? Because we already signed up with it earlier. Watch what happens. Instead of clicking Continue with Google, I'm going to manually type in my Gmail address. And yeah, it's asking for my password because this account already exists. That would just log me back into the old account. So here's the trick. To create a brand new account with the same Gmail, I just add a dot anywhere in the email address. That's it. After that one change, hit continue. And now it's asking me to create a new password, meaning BytePlus sees this as a completely new account. Now you're probably wondering, where does the verification code go? In your real Gmail. No extra inbox, no temp mail, nothing. Look, my original Gmail, no dot variation, and the verification code is landing right here because Gmail completely ignores dots in email addresses. They're invisible to Google. But BytePlus treats every dot variation as a separate account entirely. That's the loophole, and we're going to use it. So it's successfully verified, and just like that, 2 million fresh tokens. Whenever your credits run out, repeat the process. Just move the dot to a different spot in your email address each time. One Gmail address can give you hundreds of variations. And if you want to make this even easier, go to MailMeteor's Gmail generator. Link is in the description. Just paste your email address, and it'll instantly generate thousands of dot variations for you, all of which deliver verification codes straight to your real inbox. Let me show you one right now. Picked a random variation, pasted it in, verified, code came straight to my real Gmail, and the new account is live. 2 million credits again. And the best part, this is completely risk-free because you're using your actual Gmail the whole time. No fake accounts, no sketchy services. Just a simple loophole that BytePlus hasn't patched. That's all it takes to generate unlimited AI videos for free. Now, if you're wondering what kind of videos to make with this, or how to start a faceless channel, click on the video showing up on screen right now. I've covered 14 well-researched, low-competition niches that are worth building around right now. And if this video helped, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you in the next one.